Tales of alien phenomena have been told of the skies near Roswell, New Mexico for decades. While observations on June 3, 2019 resembled UFOs from Area 51, this Mothership Supercell was far from supernatural. Battling springtime air masses create wind shear, making the environment prime for spinning thunderstorms. These monsters can reach heights over 10 miles, generating deadly lightning, destructive hail, and even tornadoes. Straight-line winds were the story this day. Estimated speeds over 70 miles per hour down power lines and overturned semis. While there are countless discoveries to be made beyond our atmosphere, there are still many to be made here on Earth.